You will have to follow the same process for grade 11, 12 and degree. Subject score. Students have to update the marks as per the subjects mentioned against the course. Students can even add subjects from drop-down. Transcript upload. The list of documents is directly related to the student category selected by you during the registration process. Kindly note that you have to upload all original documents. In case the uploaded document is not in English, then you also need to upload the translated copy of the same document. You are requested to refer to the description of each document for more clarity. In case you are uploading an online copy of your mark sheet, then ensure the same is attested by your respective school. If you want to upload additional documents, then you can use the Add More tab.